Protection. Busbar is generating tension and subtension from the important link between the incoming and outgoing circuit. If the fault occurs on the busbar, consideration damage the respective of the supply will occur unless some from the quick acting automatic protection is provided to isolate the faulty busbar. The busbar zone for the purpose of the protection include not only the busbar themselves but also the isolating switches, circuit breaker and isolated connection. In the event of the fault on any section of the busbar, all the circuit equipment connected to that section must be tripped out to the given compression isolation. The standard of the construction busbar has been very high with a result that bus fault is extremely rare. However, the possibility of the damage and service interruption from the even a rare busbar fault so great is the more attention is now given to this from the protection improve the relay method having been developed reducing the possibility incorrect operation. The basically two most commonly method are used in busbar protection. First is differential protection and second is bus fault protection. Differential protection is the basic method of the busbar protection is the differential scheme in current entering and leaving at the busbar. During the normal load condition, the sum of this current is equal to 0. When the fault occurs, the fault current is upset to balance and produce the differential current to operate a relay in this figure and show in single line diagram of current differential scheme for the substation busbar. The busbar is fed by a generator and supplied to the load and two lines. The secondary of the current transformer in the generator in the line 1 and line 2 are connected in parallel. The protective relay is connected across the parallel connection. All CT must be is same ratio in the scheme regardless of the capacity of the various circuit. Under normal load condition or external fault condition, the sum of the current entering the bus is equal to those leaving it and the no current flown through the relay. If the fault occurs, the protective zone, the current entering the bus will be no longer be equal to those leaving it. The differentiate of this current will be flow through the relay and the causes of the opening of the generator circuit breaker and each of the line of circuit breaker.